In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how Lead Magnet Forge turns a simple idea into a complete published lead magnet. We'll create the ebook, review and edit the AI-generated content, choose a coordinated design, publish the PDF, customize the opt-in form, and capture a real test lead. Everything you're about to see happens inside one connected workspace. This is the Lead Magnet Forge dashboard. From here, you can see how many ebooks you have created, how many are published or still in draft, how many leads have been captured, and whether your lead magnet deliveries have been completed. Your recently created ebooks appear in the same workspace, so you don't have to search through folders, design projects, form builders, and disconnected spreadsheets. Let's create a new ebook. Lead Magnet Forge starts with a focused brief rather than an empty document. First, I'll describe the result I want the guide to help readers achieve. In this example, we're creating a practical guide that teaches coaches and consultants how to build their first high-converting lead magnet. Next, I'll define the intended audience. This gives the writing system important context about the reader's situation, goals, and likely frustrations. Finally, I can choose a writing tone. Friendly works well for approachable educational content. Expert provides a more confident, structured style. Casual creates a relaxed and conversational reading experience. For this demonstration, I'll select Expert and generate the ebook. Lead Magnet Forge now creates a structured 5-chapter draft around the same audience and promise. It isn't simply generating 5 unrelated articles. The chapters are designed to move the reader from understanding the problem to taking a clear next step. Generation time may vary depending on the selected AI model and current provider traffic, so I'll speed up this short section. The generated ebook is now available in the editor. On the left, we have the complete chapter structure. I can open any chapter and review its title, purpose, and content. Most importantly, the draft remains editable. I can change a headline, add a personal example, remove something that doesn't fit my positioning, or rewrite the call to action. For example, I'll make this chapter title more specific and add a short note that reflects my own experience. AI gives us a useful starting point, but Lead Magnet Forge keeps the user in control of the final publication. Once the content is ready, we can move to design. Lead Magnet Forge includes coordinated design systems rather than applying a decorative cover to plain interior pages. Each design controls the cover, table of contents, chapter openings, content pages, callouts, worksheets, and final call to action. I can preview different templates and select the direction that fits this topic and audience. Depending on the available design controls, I can also adjust the color palette, typography, and layout density. I'll select this design and save it to the ebook. Here is the live PDF preview using the actual content we just created. Notice that the title, chapters, examples, and action steps belong to this ebook. They are not fixed template text. I can review the cover and inside pages before publishing. When everything looks right, I'll publish the ebook. Publishing changes the ebook from a working draft into a lead magnet that can be downloaded and connected to an opt-in form. The PDF remains available from My eBooks, and I can return later to update the content or design when needed. Every published ebook includes a matching lead capture form. Inside Embed and Delivery, I can customize the form headline, button text, success message, and color theme. The preview updates immediately, allowing me to see what visitors will experience before placing the form on a website. Lead Magnet Forge then generates a ready-to-paste iframe. I can copy this code and add it to a website, landing page, blog post, or any platform that supports HTML embeds. The front end also includes a monthly fallback delivery allowance, allowing new users to begin capturing leads without first building a separate email delivery system. I've placed the embed code on this test page. The form is responsive, so it can adapt to the available content width on desktop and mobile devices. Before sending traffic, I recommend submitting a real test email. I'll enter an email address and request the guide. The visitor sees the custom success message, while Lead Magnet Forge records the submission against the correct ebook. Back inside the Leads dashboard, the new contact is already connected to the lead magnet they requested. I can see the contact, lead magnet, delivery method, delivery status, and capture time. Search and filters make it easier to manage leads from different ebooks without maintaining a separate spreadsheet. Delivery statuses also make problems visible. If a delivery fails, the dashboard provides a clearer indication of what happened instead of silently losing the lead. My eBooks acts as the central publication library. I can distinguish between drafts and published ebooks, see the number of leads associated with each publication, and reopen an ebook whenever I need to make changes. A published ebook is not locked permanently. I can update its content, revise the design, retrieve the embed code again, or download the latest PDF without rebuilding the entire campaign from scratch. In just a few minutes, we moved through the complete lead magnet workflow. We defined the audience and outcome, generated a structured 5-chapter ebook, edited the content, selected a coordinated design, reviewed the real PDF, published the ebook, customized an opt-in form, and captured a test lead. The front end includes the core creation workspace, 5 ebook generations per month, published PDF delivery, embed forms, the leads dashboard, and up to 100 fallback deliveries per month. Optional upgrades are available for users who need direct ESP routing, additional template systems, follow-up email sequences, or agency client management, but they are not required to begin creating and publishing lead magnets. If you have been delaying your lead magnet because writing, design, publishing, forms, and delivery felt like 5 separate projects, Lead Magnet Forge gives you a more connected way to finish the job. Click the button below to get access, create your first ebook, and turn your next useful idea into a lead-generating asset. I'll see you inside Lead Magnet Forge.
If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.